Hi, welcome to the Phrase Strings demo session. My name is Vitomir, I'm product manager at Phrase, and today I will talk about the new feature called link keys and show you how it helps you to automate content updates from one key to many keys in real time. So what are link keys? New option you can actually use to link keys as parent and child and distribute changes coming from the parent to many child keys automatically. With this feature, I can effectively ensure consistency across my projects. I can save time on content updates. I can eliminate repetitive work on identical content. And I can actually manage many keys from one place. If I put all parent keys in one project, I can use it to manage changes across the whole account. Now let's see this in action. I'm going to quickly jump to my demo environment and show you how first to access link keys. So accessing link keys from the sidebar using link keys option. I'm going to be displayed with a list of already existing link keys, or if you don't have any, you're going to see an empty state. With this list, I can see some general information about the already existing links. So the parent key name, its key state, the source content, the children keys attached to this parent key. I can also open up this in preview. So anytime. I can use search to search for the parent key name, and also it searches for the source content. I can filter for different key states. I can filter only for the parent projects, children projects, and spaces. To submit a new link, I should use the plus new link button. And first I need to add an applicable parent key. I have this parent project with this parent key, so I'm going to use that one. You also have a content preview, so you can see what's the actual content of the key that you selected. And here we're going to attach children keys. So I'm going to pick this one from the child project just for this exercise. You can, of course, have many children keys here attached. And when I click save, the system will add this link. And I can see it here. I have other options right now to manage these key links. So what I can do, I can edit its content, so I can add more children keys here. I can also delete all key links. And if I am going to do that, the system will offer me option to keep the content of the parent on the child keys or remove the content from the child keys. So that's also an option. I'm going to do this for now. I'm just going to open this up in editor so I can show you how this works on the editor side. So this list is used to centrally manage the key links. If I want to change its content, it's done at the editor. I'm going to quickly open up this in the editor. And there are a couple of things you should notice here. First, we added this indicator that key is either parent or child key. And for the children keys, as you can see, grayed out. You cannot change the children key unless you unlink it from the parent. On the parent key, however, you can actually make some changes. Apart from this visual indicator, we also added a new, completely new section below for the link keys, where you can see some meta information about the link itself, the name of the parent key, and what is the name of the attached children keys to it. Now, if I change the content for this and instead of partners, we add maybe S at the end of this, and click save, the system will distribute this to all the children keys. In this case, it's that one. Now, if I go back and I open up a children key, I can show you that this change has been applied. So this is the children key. The change is there, so the S is there coming in from the parent key. I can see that this is effectively a children key, and I can see it's unverified. So when you change the content of the parent, it unverifies all the children keys besides updating its content. Okay, furthermore, what we can do, from the editor side, we can also apply a batch action. So there's a batch link to the parent key and link to the children key. It opens up a model where you can define this, and you will be notified if there are some strange situations where the parent already exists or there are children keys attached to different parents. Apart from the patch actions, the visual indicators, you can also promote a regular key to a parent. So you can set it as parent, or you can link this key to existing parent, therefore making this key a child key. You can also relink existing children key to another parent. So if I click here, I can link this child key to another parent and effectively breaking the link that was made before. We also added support to export the link keys, and on export, if I do that, on export, what happens is that all the content from the parent key, and if there are children keys in the exported file, they will be actually downloaded and exported alongside with its content, the parent content. If I open this up and, for example, want to make an update and change our S back to, for example, another phrase at the back of this, and save this with another name, test demo. And if we go back to the system and we try to re-import this, so I'm going to now do an import of the parent and children keys. I'll make sure to check this one, update translations. So when I try to import the file that we just changed, called test demo, here, when I do this, the system will actually ignore the children key. And in this case, there are two keys, children keys, which are ignored. And the parent key is actually translated and automatically distributed to all its children. So if I go back and open this up in the editor, we're going to see the parent key has changed. We have addition of the phrase, and this means that all its children got updated as well. And this is all for now for this demo session. Hope you're going to enjoy it as much as we did building it. And yeah, keep on phrasing. All the best.